Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete your Snapchat account using the mobile app. First, open your Snapchat app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile page. Next, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Support section. Tap on I Need Help to access Snapchat's support interface. Now, you'll be taken to Snapchat's support website within the app. Here, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Delete My Account. Tap on the search result that says Delete My Account to proceed. Snapchat will then provide you with detailed instructions on how to delete your account. To continue with the deletion, tap on the link provided within the instructions that takes you to the account deletion page. You may be asked to log in again for security reasons. Scroll and click Delete My Account. Once you're on the account deletion page, enter your username and password again. Press Continue. Your Snapchat account will now enter the 30-day deactivation period before it's permanently deleted. Remember, if you change your mind during those 30 days, you can always log back in to cancel the deletion process. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.